Philosophy. Just the word alone makes most people want to run faster than when they hear group project due tomorrow. But here's the thing. Philosophy isn't about dusty books and guys in togas. It's about you, your mind, your choices, your midnight breakdowns about pizza versus salad. Philosophy is literally the GPS of human existence. Problem is, most of us are still stuck in recalculating mode. So let's break down the 7 branches of philosophy in a way that won't put you to sleep. Buckle up. We're about to laugh, cry, and possibly argue with Socrates. Metaphysics. Metaphysics is the study of existence, reality, the big cosmic what is life question. It's like that moment at 3 a.m. when you're staring at the ceiling wondering, am I real? Is my cat real? Or are we all NPCs in someone else's video game? Ancient philosophers asked, what is the nature of reality? Modern humans ask, why is my Wi-Fi slow? Same vibe, different century. But metaphysics isn't useless. It reminds us that behind every paycheck, heartbreak, or TikTok trend is the mystery of existence itself. It's deep, it's weird, and honestly, it's kind of beautiful that we don't have all the answers. Epistemology. Epistemology is the study of knowledge. Basically, how do we know what we know? Philosophers ask, can we trust our senses, our reason, or are we all just walking around with faulty brain Wi-Fi? You've seen epistemology in action if you've ever Googled your symptoms at 2 a.m. First result, you're fine. Second result, you have 3 hours to live. How do you know what's true? You don't. Welcome to epistemology. The deeper point is this: if we don't question what we know, we can be manipulated. Lies spread, truth gets blurry, and suddenly we're arguing over whether the earth is flat. Spoiler, it's not. Epistemology is your defense against nonsense. Use it. Logic. Logic is the branch that asks, does your argument actually make sense? Sounds simple. Except humans are experts at illogical arguments. Ever had this one? Why are you mad? I'm not mad. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. See, you're mad. That's a logical fallacy. We're all guilty of them. Politicians build entire careers on them. Logic is like a personal BS detector, and trust me, you need one. Without logic, debates are just louder shouting matches. Ethics. Ethics is the study of right and wrong, good and evil, justice and injustice. It's the branch that shows up when you find a wallet on the ground. Do you return it? Do you keep it? Do you spend it all on pizza and hope karma isn't watching? Ethics matters because society literally can't function without it. But here's the kicker. It's not always black and white. Different cultures, religions, and people see right and wrong differently. Ethics asks us to slow down and think, what kind of person do I want to be? What kind of world do we want to create? Aesthetics. Aesthetics is the philosophy of beauty and art. Basically, asterisk. Why do sunsets make us cry? Why do memes make us laugh? Why does one person see modern art as genius and another sees it as my toddler could do that? Aesthetics reminds us that beauty matters, not because it pays the bills, but because it feeds the soul. Without art, music, and laughter, we'd all just be really efficient robots, and frankly, really boring ones. Political philosophy. Political philosophy is about how humans should live together in society. Basically, who's in charge, who makes the rules, and why does politics always ruin family dinners? From Plato's Republic to your last heated Facebook debate, political philosophy shapes how we handle power, justice, and freedom. The emotional part? People suffer when politics goes wrong. Wars, oppression, injustice, all because of bad ideas put into practice. The funny part? No matter the era, politics is basically humans arguing over who gets the remote control. Axiology. Axiology is the study of values, what we consider good, bad, important, or worthless. It's why you'd pay $5 for coffee but complain about $2 to park your car. It's why some people value freedom above all else, and others value security. Axiology runs through everything: relationships, art, money, culture. It's the invisible compass guiding your life. The humanitarian lesson? If we understand each other's values, maybe, just maybe, we'd argue less and connect more. So there you have it, the 7 branches of philosophy. Metaphysics, epistemology, logic, ethics, aesthetics, political philosophy, and axiology. They're not abstract. They're alive in every decision, every laugh, every argument, and every moment you wonder what life's about. Philosophy isn't about having all the answers. It's about asking better questions, and maybe, just maybe, learning to laugh while we search for them. Thinker's Odyssey. Laugh, reflect, discover.